what's up everyone, it's Mark here with M2M Detail. In this video guys, we're going to be removing the door panels off this 2021 Tahoe High Country. So real quick guys, we'll go over some of the stuff. You're going to have one nut in here, two here, and then two at the bottom, and then we're going to pop off the door panel. So if you guys don't know about the 1500s, Tahoes, Escalades, anything on this chassis pretty much, you can't pry back the top. It's a lot of pressure on the top. You probably can do it, but you shouldn't be doing it. It's just too much pressure. It goes too deep behind the gasket. So you just want to remove door panel. Real easy, takes an extra couple minutes, no big deal. But let me get you guys straight into it. This little piece already popped out. It has a little hole right here. Just grab a little L tool. We use these little snap-on tools right here and just pry it open, pop it off. But yeah, let's get straight into it. We're gonna be removing this stuff. All right, so we're gonna be removing this one right here, guys. It's gonna have a little opening on the backside. We're gonna curve in there, pop it off. Make sure not to scratch the plastic with this. That will leave a mark. And then we're gonna grab our 7. Pop that one out. Put them down here, and then like I said, there's 2 on the bottom, guys. Just like that. So those are all out. So now that we got it all out, I find the easiest place is right down here, guys. You get some leverage on it, kind of in the front too. And we're just gonna hold the door with our knee. And we're just gonna start popping. There we go. Door panel is free, guys. After the door panel is all loose, we're gonna grab it from both sides, wiggle it up a little bit, make sure this top one out is over here. There's one right in here, guys. You gotta make sure that's removed. Then we just slide it up, place it back on the door a little bit, not to damage the speaker. Grab a side, pull the gasket out. So now that we got that pulled out, put the door panel, loop it back over where the gasket goes. And that is it. So I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the install. It's going to be on the next video. As always, Mark out.